That's what's left of the old house. Grandma and Grandpa raised 10 kids in that thing. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And that old car there is an old Kaiser. Grandpa actually won that car. Hi Lexi and Lily. And this is the old shit wagon, Carl used to call it. Carl made this out of an old car and an old truck. He used to haul cow manure, cow shit back here. I come out here one time as just a kid and he says, crawl in there, crawl in the back. He took off and we went down the ridge down there. And then he'd drive in the mud, and these tires would squirt mud about 30 feet in the air. Yeah. Yeah. Look at one time, this goes way back, but it's still being used. There was a bird was nesting right here. Yeah, so Carl put this sunshade up there for it. And the nest is still there. An old loader